This video is going to show you how to create a hexagon both across the flats and across the points from a given size. So we're going to use a 60mm diameter or 60mm across the points for the first hexagon, and then we'll draw a second hexagon that's 60mm across the flats. So to go across the points, we first need a circle that's the same diameter as our dimension, so we'll draw a 30mm radius circle, which is a 60mm diameter. And just to keep the hexagon nice and horizontal, we'll put a centre line in so that we've got something to work from. Then if we take the compass set to the radius, which is still there from drawing the circle, mark a point above and below the centre line, and same on the other side. We now have 6 equally spaced points around the circle, and taking the straight edge we can line those in to create our hexagon. And I didn't need to start off horizontal, it could have been any angle, but it kind of looks nicer if it's oriented either horizontally or vertically. You notice I find the point with the pencil and then align the rule to the point so that I keep it as accurate as possible. And one other thing, it would have been possible to have started here and worked my way around, but any error would have been accumulated, so the last length would have had all the error. By using the point at either side and going up and down, any error has been minimized. So there's our hexagon produced from a circle, inside a circle, and measured across the flats. So it's a 60mm across the flats, across the points rather, and I'm not sure what across the flats would work out to be. Looks like about 52. Quite often you need a hexagon from a given with given dimension across the flats, so it can't be produced that way. So in this case we'll draw our 60mm diameter circle, and then using our set square, our 60-30 set square, we can generate that the hexagon around the circle. So a horizontal line there, do the same at the top, and then if we just find that tangential point, draw that in there, that line, same here, flip the set square over, find the edge, draw a hexagon in there. Oops, not quite accurate, that one. Just have to draw that in again. You always need to be as accurate as you possibly can be. The pencil's not the most accurate tool, but there we have it. And so from there we can line that in. I've purposely drawn the construction lines on these videos quite heavy so that the camera can see them. When you're drawing, you'll make the construction lines as light as possible, and that way your outline will stand out without having to get your rubber out and clean it up at the end of the process. Right, one more. if we measure across this hexagon, 60 millimeters. So 2 hexagons created in a different way to a different need.